The beluga whale is a unique and distinctive species of cetacean found primarily in Arctic and subarctic waters. It is commonly referred to as the sea canary due to its high-pitched vocalizations that sound like birdsong. Beluga whales are well adapted to their cold environments. They have a thick layer of blubber to insulate against the cold, and their dorsal ridge helps them break through thin ice. Beluga whales have relatively long lifespans, with some individuals living to be over 60 years old. This long lifespan provides them with multiple opportunities for breeding throughout their lives. Belugas are known for their social nature. They often travel in pods that can range from a few individuals to several dozen. These pods provide protection, social interaction, and assistance in hunting. In some regions, beluga whales undertake seasonal migrations. They may move to different areas as ice conditions change or to follow their prey. However, not all beluga populations migrate. Beluga whales are known for their striking coloration. They typically have a uniform, creamy white or light gray skin color that helps them blend in with their icy Arctic and subarctic environments. This coloration provides them with some camouflage among the sea ice and helps them avoid detection by predators and prey. The coloration can vary slightly among individuals and may appear slightly yellowish due to contact with minerals and algae in their environment. Beluga whales have a stocky, torpedo-shaped body, which is characteristic of most cetaceans. Their bodies taper toward the tail, allowing for efficient swimming through water. Unlike most other cetacean species, belugas lack a prominent dorsal fin. Instead, they have a series of bumps along their back, called a dorsal ridge, which helps them maneuver under ice and prevents ice from forming on their skin. Beluga whales have a prominent, bulbous forehead known as a melon. The melon is involved in their vocalizations and plays a role in their ability to echolocate. It's composed of fatty tissue and is thought to aid in focusing and directing their sound emissions. Their flippers are relatively short and broad, which helps them navigate through icy waters and maintain stability. One of the most distinguishing features of beluga whales is their flexible neck. They have 7 vertebrae in their neck, allowing them to move their head in various directions. This flexibility is crucial for their echolocation and social interactions. Beluga whales have a set of conical teeth that are adapted for catching and consuming their prey, which includes fish, squid, and crustaceans. Adult beluga whales are relatively small compared to some other cetacean species. They can reach lengths of around 4 to 6 meters and weigh between 1,300 to 3,500 kilograms. Clicks are short, high-frequency sounds that beluga whales use for echolocation, which helps them navigate their environment and locate prey. These clicks bounce off objects in the water, and the returning echoes provide information about the distance, size, and shape of objects. Whistles are longer, tonal sounds that are often used for social interactions and communication within groups. Each beluga whale is thought to have a unique whistle, which could serve as a form of individual identification. These are brief, bird-like sounds that beluga whales produce. They are often used during social interactions and might play a role in maintaining group cohesion. Beluga whales can produce a variety of raspberries and motorboat-like sounds. These playful vocalizations are often heard during interactions with other belugas or when they're excited. Beluga whales are known to mimic human sounds and other noises from their environment. They have been observed imitating sounds like boat engines, ringing bells, and even human speech. Some beluga populations have been known to produce complex songs, particularly during the breeding season. These songs can be composed of a sequence of different sounds and are believed to be used for mating displays and communication between males and females. Fish make up a significant portion of the beluga whale's diet. They feed on various species of fish, like Arctic cod, capelin, herring, salmon, smelt and flounder. Squid are another important food source for beluga whales. These cephalopods are a high-energy food that provides essential nutrients. Beluga whales also consume a variety of crustaceans. In addition to squid and crustaceans, beluga whales may also eat other small invertebrates that are present in their habitat. Beluga whales are capable of swimming at various speeds, depending on factors such as their age, health, and the purpose of their movement. While they are not the fastest swimmers among whales, they can reach decent speeds when necessary. On average, beluga whales tend to swim at a cruising speed of around 3 to 9 km per hour. This speed allows them to cover distances comfortably while conserving energy. In short bursts or when they need to evade predators or catch prey, beluga whales can reach speeds of up to 20 to 25 km per hour. However, they can't maintain these high speeds for extended periods due to their physiology and the energy required. Beluga whales typically have a breeding season that occurs in the spring and early summer, usually from March to September, depending on the population and geographic location. During this time, males actively compete for the attention of females. In some regions, beluga whales undertake seasonal migrations as part of their breeding behavior. For instance, in certain populations, pregnant females will move from their wintering areas in open waters to shallower, warmer coastal areas to give birth. The gestation period for beluga whales is about 14 to 15 months, which is longer than that of most other cetaceans. This extended gestation period might be related to the timing of their breeding season and the availability of food in their Arctic habitats. Calving typically occurs in the late spring and summer, between May and September. The timing varies depending on the specific population. Calving often takes place in shallow, protected areas such as bays, estuaries, or river mouths, where the young calves are safer from predators and have access to more food. Beluga whale mothers are known for their strong maternal instincts. They provide care and protection for their calves, which are born measuring about 1.2 to 1.5 meters in length. Calves are born with a grayish-brown coloration that eventually lightens to the characteristic white or light gray of adult belugas. Beluga whales are social animals that often form pods, and the breeding season is a time of increased social interaction. Males compete for the attention of females through vocalizations and physical displays. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.